The doll world. Yay! Wow! I know. So delicious. Yet it totally that. I hope, girls, I'm really glad you like my waffles and syrup. Yes, Mom. Can you pass me the waffle, Chelsea? Yet. This too. Okay, Mama, I'm done. Okay, I'm going to drink some water. Okay, don't eat it so fast or else you get some hiccups, Chelsea. Okay. Oh, Chelsea, I told you. Ow. Chelsea, let me just bring the book. Oh, I got it under here. Yes. The book of how how to stop hiccuping. All right, let's start it. Okay, number one. You have to blow a balloon. Blow a balloon. That's easy. Just blow a balloon, Chelsea. Okay, I'll blow a balloon. Yeah. Wait, let me get a balloon. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay. Then you have to drink plenty of water. All right. Here's 2 bottles. Your bottle and my bottle. Okay, you can drink from here up. Here, Chelsea. Okay. Okay, now here. Oh, Chelsea. Okay. Next is oh yes, scare the person. Okay. All right, just stay over here, Chelsea. I'm just gonna go and get some apples. Yes. Where has Evie gone, leaving me alone? Oh my goodness. I think Chelsea, she'll come soon. Chelsea, please wait. She's gonna come. Okay. When is everyone gonna come? Boo! Yay! You've gone. Your hiccups are gone, Chelsea. Yet. Oh, let me just call your friends. Huh. Hello? Hello? Who is this? This is Evie. Is this Pam and Ann? Yet, this is Pam. Ann is playing. Oh, hi. So, can you please come over in Chelsea's house? Okay. Bye. Pam and Ann are coming. After calling all the little girls. You. Yes. Where you gonna come in now? Oh. You know. No. Ding dong. Oh, hi girls. Hello. Hello, you called us, right? Yes, I need you because Chelsea has uncontrollable hiccups. Oh my goodness, Tilty. Okay, what do you need, Tilty? The girls have to scare her, okay? Okay, just go out of the house and then just cry boo, okay? Yes. Tilty, wait 1 minute. Caroline had to go to the bathroom. That's why we are leaving. Okay, guys. Where are the girls gone? I think they went to the bathroom or something. Oh, I think she was too afraid. Guys, what are you doing? Chelsea, we were just trying to scare you. Yeah! Thanks for helping, guys. Well, you really had to subscribe. Well, please subscribe our channel, like, comment. And you know there's no commenting in kids' content. Okay, but first press, just click our channel and then click videos, and then you can see all our videos one by one. Yeah! And then you just have to click discussion and write any question about any video. And you can also see the description in about. Well, bye! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please. Please, I'm begging you. Bye!